So, right here, doing a hive update here. So right here you can see the bees gathering right in here. They're building up. They're getting a little comb structure right in there. And then right in there, they're building out about 3. And then maybe a 4th comb right there, all at the same time right now. So they're doing pretty good. So in another probably maybe 2-3 days, I'll open this hive up and take the queen cage out, because then the queen should be gone by then. Or, well, should have been out of the cage and gone out and mated and come back. So we'll do all that in a few days. So this hive's looking pretty good so far. This is their 2nd jar of food here. This is yesterday was when I put the package in. So we'll see how it works or how they do. They should be fine. They're looking pretty good. That's about it. Might as well check on these hombres over here. Almost tripped over the axe. Been chopping out this root here. Tripped over the Pulaski actually, but been chopping out this tree stump. But here we go. This is my first hive out of 8 hives that has made it over winter. That's this dude. These guys here. They're pretty damn busy. Hive is completely full, so they have already swarmed once this year, and there are new larvae in there, so that's a good thing to see. So there's larvae up in here, but they're all agitated now because of the light, so I don't want to maybe a wackadoodle sting me in the face and shit. Alright, toodaloodles. Laters. That's it for the bee updates.